Hi, my name is Brian Bouchard. I'm the visual merchandiser here at Circle Furniture, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can introduce color into your space to create different looks. Whether you've got a neutral palette that you're looking to brighten up, or maybe you have a colorful statement piece that you're looking to incorporate, deciding when, where, and how to use color is an important step in pulling your room together. Here are some things to consider. First, you want to start by choosing a color scheme. That might seem obvious, and yet we're so afraid to make color mistakes. Here's my advice to you. Start by picking out your favorite colors. Just like your favorite foods, you'll never grow tired of your favorite colors. And if you do, down the road, you can always switch them out. They're not permanent. So we talked about using your favorite colors. The next thing we want to talk about is color flow. What I mean by that is you want your colors to coordinate and work with each other. A good example of that is this room behind me. We chose to use a turquoise leather on the chair, which is unexpected with the emerald green sofa, but yet it works so beautifully together. And we know they work beautifully together because we pulled the same colors from the area rug. And that brings us to our next topic, pulling from patterns. Maybe you have your grandmother's heirloom rug, or maybe a great piece of artwork that you found at a street festival. Regardless of the piece, you can start by pulling the colors out. Like the vignette behind me, we have great accent colors in the area rug and the artwork. We have beautiful turquoise and emerald green, and we repeated those colors on the sofa and the chair to unify the look. Another thing to consider is color contrast. Although monochromatic can be beautiful and it's a safe way to go, adding color contrast adds depth, texture, and dimension to your space. Take a look at the first room we put together. Notice how we pulled navy blue and lime green from the area rug onto the pillows on the sofa. We also repeated that on the pelt on the chair, the accessories on the coffee table, and a little bit of navy blue in the accent lamp and artwork above. The final thing I want to talk about is making a neutral space pop. As you can see, the second room that we put together is saturated with color. We purposely chose to use saturated color on the core pieces as well as the accessories. On the other hand, the first room that we put together today is a very good example of how you can add color to make a neutral space pop. In this room, the largest piece is obviously the gray sectional. And we chose a couple of strong accent colors. The navy blue and the lime green was a great way to go to add depth and pop to an otherwise gray room. We hope you found this video helpful when adding color to your home. If you have more specific questions, please drop us a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and want more design tips, please click on the link below to subscribe.